Welcome to Daisy Nick's Recipes and DIY Crafts. Hi everyone, today we're making tea bag firelighters, and I'd like to say thank you to Annette, a dear friend of mine who showed me this recipe. Tea bag firelighters. This is a great way to recycle your old tea bags. What you'll need is a jam jar with a secure tight lid, old tea bags, some methylated spirits. This is very cheap, you can get it for around £1, and 1 tablespoon measure. So I am saving and drying all of my tea bags. So I've popped them onto a tray to dry, and when they're fully dry, we're going to place them into a jar. So I'll fit around 10 into my jar, and I'll put 1 at a time in, and then put in 1 tablespoon per tea bag of methylated spirits. And do 1 tea bag at a time. Try and get them as level and straight as you can in your jam jar. Now I'll keep on doing this, and when I've filled my jam jar, I'll show you what it's looking like. And that's the last one. I think I have around 10 tea bags in there. So put the lid on, and as you can see there is a little bit in the bottom, so every now and again just turn it upside down. In the next hour or so just keep turning it upside down, and that'll all soak into your tea bags. And then I'm going to go and test one. I've already tested one previously and it burnt for around 5 minutes, which I was really pleased with. So it's going to make a really good firelighter. So what I'm going to do is just leave that for a minute, and then I'm going to show you it burning. So here's my tea bag firelighters, and we're going to test them out. I've got tweezers by the side of my fire just so I can use these. I don't want to handle them myself. So I'm going to put a tea bag just on here so you can see how it goes. There we go. I'd like to say thank you very much to Annette, a dear friend of mine who showed me this recipe. Thanks, Annette. And there you go, they work really well. My last one I tested burnt for around 5 minutes. It was such a good recycling idea for your old tea bags. Fantastic tea bag hack here, and firelighter hack. So there you go, tea bag firelighters. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIYs. Thanks for watching.